Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, had been compelled to leave their Cotswolds home after intrusive snapshots had been taken via means of an information agency, a court docket has heard. Prince Harry's attorneys informed an excessive court docket listening to on the Royal Courts of Justice in London on Thursday, May 16, that Splash News and Picture Agency used a helicopter to take pictures of Harry and Meghan's living and eating areas, consisting of a shot at once into the bedroom in their privately rented Oxfordshire property, which the couple used as a rustic retreat. A High Court ruling has dominated in favor of the Duke of Sussex, and Splash has apologized for the infringement on his privacy. Prince Harry has popularized the idea of an apology and good-sized damages. Harry's solicitor, Gerard Terrell, defined that the couple, who welcomed their new child, Archie Harrison, on May 6, selected their Cotswolds home due to the excessive degree of privacy it afforded, but because of the invasive snapshots, which were posted in January, they are not capable of staying on the property. Part of the announcement study, via means of Gerard Terrell on Prince Harry's behalf, defined. The helicopter flew over the house at a low altitude, allowing Splash to take snapshots of and into the residing and eating locations of the house and, at once, the bedroom. The syndication and ebook of the snapshots very significantly undermined the protection and safety of the Duke and the house to the volume that they're not capable of staying on the property. Buckingham Palace has stated, the Duke of Sussex recognizes and welcomes the formal apology from Splash News and Picture Agency, as referenced within the statement in open court today. Meanwhile, Splash stated in an announcement. Splash has usually recognized that this case represents an error of judgment, and we've taken steps to make sure it'll no longer be repeated. We apologize to the Duke and Duchess for the misery we've caused. A spokeswoman for Prince Harry stated via The Guardian that the Duke become offered a giant sum in the direction of damages and criminal fees, which allows you to be positioned in the direction of a donation to charity and protecting the Duke's criminal costs. Meghan and Harry are presently residing at Frogmore Cottage in Windsor, their new legal residence after shifting out of Nottingham Cottage in Kensington Palace. The public's involvement in the family warfare among Buckingham Palace and the Duke and Duchess of Sussex seems to have reached a brand new degree of animosity on Sunday. Writing in the Sunday Times, Tom Bradby, who directed an ITV film, Harry and Meghan, An African Journey, which aired within the US on Disney's ABC Ultimate Year, alleged that the couple's plan to transport to North America may also have been leaked via means of Buckingham Palace. It offers a demonstration of simply how toxic and admittedly Machiavellian the contemporary House of Windsor has become. Bradby alleged that the unfriendly environment successfully compelled the Sussexes to leave the firm because the House of Windsor is mentioned via the British media. It is quite clear to me from conversations with each facet that this go out ought to match everyone, at the least in terms of slim self-interest, Bradby added. But there's absolute confidence that Harry and Meghan experienced being pushed out. Buckingham Palace did no longer reply to a request from MarketWatch to touch upon Bradby's article. The Sunday Times quoted a source near Buckingham Palace that denied the Sussexes were forced out as senior members of the royal family. An announcement launched last week via the Buckingham Palace website stated discussions were at an early stage and might take time. The Sunday Times is owned via the means of News UK, a subsidiary of News Corporation, the Discern enterprise of Dow Jones, which owns MarketWatch. Bradby, who attended the couple's 2018 wedding, successfully alleged that Harry walked right into a public members of the family trap. Harry became persuaded to dedicate his plans to paper and did as he was asked, as he wrote within the 1,600-phrase essay, Escape from the Toxic Palace. The document, or its details, become rapidly afterwards leaked to The Sun. After the Sussexes launched their announcement within the wake of The Sun's scoop, palace officers claimed to have been blindsided by means of it. He added, "Thank you for watching till the end. Please share with us your thoughts in the comments